guys! Welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, I'm going to do this look using Korean makeup products. So these products that I'm using is all Korean brands, or I got it from all Korean social media accounts or websites. So let's start the makeup tutorial! So for today nga guys, mga Korean brands or Korean products yung gagamitin ko sa aking face. Pero tingnan na lang natin kung anong kakalabasan ng magagawa ko makeup. So make sure na gagamit tayo ng primer. So I have here primer. So this is the blur stick from Pulang. And this is good for oily skin. Nakaka-smooth ng skin and hindi siya drying sa face. So ito yung itsura ng product. Ayan. So, ang dami niyang laman for a stick na primer. Ayan. And then, guys, ang gagawin ko lang, lalagay ko siya sa aking mga problem areas or dun sa mga mabilis akong mag-oily. Lagay natin dito. So, basically, pagka nag-oil, ayan, tignan nyo guys, yung difference kapag ka nalagyan ng primer. Ayan. So, dito yung may primer and yung feeling niya ay sobrang soft. Ay, grabe. Hindi siya yung hindi siya tagging sa skin. So, look at that, guys. And pag half-half yung face ko, so dito matte finish na siya. Habang dito is medyo may pagka-oiliness na siyang napapakita. Ayan, so lalagay ko lang din siya ulit dito sa aking left side. What I like about this is yung smell niya. Hindi amoy chemical, pero amoy fruity scent. And then, guys, this is very long-lasting. So, this is my third time to use this. And this is available sa CHARIS. So, kung gusto niyo ng links, guys, nasa baba lamang siya. Yung mga links na kung saan ko nakuha yung mga makeup na to. After putting primer, next naman ay ang ating base. So, which is the foundation. So, I have here the Touch 4M Collagen Cushion with SPF 50+, PA+++. So, ang shade na nakuha ko ay shade 23. So, this is what the packaging looks like. Ayan, sobrang ganda niya. Meron siyang mirror dito. Yeah, open na natin yung cushion. Ooh. So, ito yung tsura ng cushion, guys. Ayan, may iba't ibang color. So, kung alam nyo yung mga gamit ng mga iba't ibang color, yung green is to fight the redness of the face. Pink ay para naman sa mga dark spot. So, tatry na natin siya. So, pagka igaganon ko, ayan. So, yan yung nagpapakita. Medyo maputi siya, best. Ayan, pero pag na-blend, okay. So, pag na-blend mo, okay lang naman. So, I'm gonna use this puff, and let's see. It's too light for me. But we're going to work this out. This foundation is not warm tone. So, para siyang concealer. Para siyang concealer na nagko-correct ng mga redness or dark spots. So, as you can see guys, dito sa side na to, na-correct niya yung mga dark spots ko dito. So, ito, hindi na siya masyadong halata. Ayan. And dito, mayroon din akong redness kanina nakita nyo. So, buong mukha ko nagre-red. Ayan. So, nagtutong down na siya. And meron siyang collagen, so, which is very good to our skin. So, after that, we're going to use concealers. This is the Saem or the Saem na concealers. This is the Cover Perfection Tint Concealer. And I got the shade number 2, which is in the middle of the fair and the darkest shade. I'm gonna put some under my eye. Okay, so yung consistency ng product na to is very, very creamy. And this is high coverage. So, this is yellow undertone. So, it suits us na mga morena. Ang bilis niyang ma-blend, guys. I got it from ALTHEA Korea for 100+ only. So, it has SPF 28. So, if you're a party goer and then you're gonna use this at night, so, merong flashback kang makikita kapag nag-picture kayo ng mga friends mo. For the contour, so, I have this CORINGO Pink Square Dual Shading. It's broken when I received it. And I'm so disappointed. I don't know why, if they check it before they ship it or what. Oh, the darkest shade. I'm gonna use this for the contour. It smells like a chocolate milk. And look at the shade. So it's not too dark for me. So it suits me well. It's not also powdery. Look, it's not powdery. I don't remember how much this product is, but I'll put in the description box if you need. I'm gonna use the lightest shade to put some powder under my eyes. Okay, so I have here two brow products. So this one is the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. So I got a shade, I think this is dark brown. And I have here the Pere Pera from Beauty by Freya. And the shade is number 2. I think this is grayish brown. So I'm gonna use this to shade my eyebrows. In the corner of my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the darkest shade. And what I like about this eyebrow product is it's angled and it's really easy to apply. After that, we proceed to the Pere Pera. So this Pere Pera is different from the Etude House because the pencil looks like this. It's not angled, it's just straight. Okay guys, so let's proceed to the matte powder from Chica by Chico. So I did a review about this and you can check it out. This is very good for oily skin because it's matte finish and it's not heavy. Basically, we are using this. I am using this as my baking powder. The next one I'm gonna use is also from Chica by Chico. This is the One Shot palette. So I used it on my recent Valentine's makeup video. And if you want to check it, I'm gonna put the link in the I button. Just click it here. So for this look, I'm going to do a red velvet makeup. I'm gonna use the darkest transitional shade. So I didn't put concealer on my eyelids because I tested this product and it's pigmented even though you don't put any base on your eyelids. So now we're going to proceed to the red or burgundy color here using a fluffy crease brush. Okay guys, so after blending out, I'm gonna use the concealer again to cut the crease. So I'm gonna show you how I cut crease my eyeshadow. So let's put small amount here and then here, then look up, and yeah. So that's how you cut your crease. And then get some flat brush and blend it out. Okay guys, so I'm done. And I forgot to tell you guys that I also have a shimmer eyeshadow here. This is the With Me Signal Metal Prism Glitter Eyeshadow. This shade is Bella Luna. So this is also available at my CHARIS shop. So if you are interested, just click the link in the description box. After that, I'm gonna blend it out. So that's it. For the eyeliner guys, I'm gonna use this Chica by Chico again. 1 Kill eyeliner. So this is a liquid brush pen. So you have to shake it up. Shake it, shake it. So look. So this is very thin. Look. Okay. And we're nearly done. So for my mascara, I'm going to use also this eye-catching mascara from Pulang, also long and curls. So we're not going to use false eyelashes. See how good this mascara is. So look at the difference of each eyelashes. So this has a mascara on it. It doesn't have any mascara here. Okay guys, so I'm done, and for the blush on, I'm gonna use this cotton blush from Missha and put some here. This is not powdery guys. What I like about Korean makeup products that I've tried is they are not powdery. Also the color, it's very pretty, and this is like a coral shade. It's really good in person. So for my lipstick, also Missha, this is the Wish Phone Tint. It looks like this. It's very pretty and it's very pigmented. Okay, so and I'm gonna use eyeshadow for my highlight. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll always be notified on all my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please comment down below if you have any suggestion or any makeup suggestion to do or review. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.